Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and today I'm very excited because I will show you 5 things that you probably didn't know that Apple Notes actually can do. If you follow this channel, I talk about GoodNotes, Notability, NoteShelf, other handwriting note-taking apps, but also end-to-end productivity systems. So how can you integrate these apps into your productivity system? But now without further ado, let's dive into this. So the first thing that you might have seen on other videos I made already is the tab to create a new note. I just tap on my iPad and it magically opens up a new note. And what I can actually do in the settings, I can set up if it should open a new note, if it should open the same note on the same day, so I can actually use it as daily notes, and that's the way how I use it, and I can just start to take notes. The second thing is, did you actually know that you can add videos inside Apple Notes? So for example, I'm using screen recordings in order to add them to my notes. You saw I just drag and dropped in the screen recording. I can tap here and I can even watch the videos inside my notes, like the Harry Potter style newsletter, I would say. So this is something that you can't do in any of the Notability, GoodNotes or NoteShelf, for example. You can only do in Apple Notes. The third thing I want to show you is actually audio recording. Many of you complain or say, I'm not using Apple Notes because I cannot record audio. Well, you actually can. You simply use your built-in voice recorder. So whenever you record any voice in your voice memos, that's the voice memos recorder that you have pre-installed on your iPad, you have audio recording stand. It even picks up where you actually recorded this. And I just hold and drag over the recording into my notes, and there it is. And now I can even play back. And this title here, what you have on your audio recording, is searchable. So if it shows up here on the side, let's do this now. You see now all the recordings coming up. I can click here and listen to these audios very quickly. So you even have kind of search functionality for your audio recordings, and you also can place this on different positions inside your file. The fourth thing I want to show you is actually that you can collaborate on these notes. So GoodNotes, for example, they have a collaboration feature now as well, but it has still fairly long delay. What you can do in Apple Notes, it is a real-time collaboration. So you can share your note with your friends who also use Apple Notes, or with your colleagues. And if you're in the Apple universe and you use Apple Notes, you can start to sketch things together on the same note, and you can work on these notes together. And last but not least, the fifth thing that you probably didn't know is that you can search for images. And I'm not talking about image titles, I'm talking about actual images. So let's search for dog, for example. And here comes up notes with dog inside, but also attachments, an image. So that you see this image doesn't have a title, but it is this image here. See? And I just dragged and dropped in this image. So let's open up another one like cat. Let's drag and drop in these cats. Now we have the cat below the dog. Go to another note so you see it's actually working. Cat. Search, and you see here already coming up the picture with the cats that I just added. You see how fast this goes. I tap there and now I have the image with the cat here, and it recognized this. And this is actually the recognition engine that is also used with your normal photos. So this works there as well. So I hope at least one of these 5 things were something that you weren't aware of that Apple Notes actually can do. And if you really want to learn how to use Apple Notes like a pro and integrate it with your productivity system, how to automate things and like this, make sure to go to the description below. There's the link where you can get access to my Apple Notes course. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if they didn't know about the Apple Notes features that I just showed here. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you up next time.